I get this question all the time. Devin, what are the signs that your script sections are logically correct but emotionally flat? The short answer is this. The script makes sense, but it doesn't create movement. Here are the big signs. First, every section delivers information, but not a feeling shift. The viewer understands the point, but they don't feel more curious, more concerned, more surprised, or more relieved than they did 20 seconds ago. Second, your transitions are clean, but emotionally neutral. If each section feels like, here's the next point, instead of, here's why this changes things, you're explaining, not pulling. Third, the stakes stay level. A flat script often has good sequencing, but nothing compounds. There's no rising cost, no stronger contrast, no sharper consequence. And here's my favorite operator test. If you can swap two middle sections and the viewing experience feels basically the same, the logic may be right, but the emotional progression is weak. The fix is simple. For every section, label 3 things: what the viewer learns, what they're supposed to feel, and what changed from the section before. If you can't answer the feeling or the change, that section is probably flat. Inside Satura, we structure scripts around those beat changes, so the draft doesn't just read clearly, it carries momentum. That's the difference. Clarity tells, emotional movement retains.